In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Carousel using Gamma I. By the end, you'll have a clean scroll-stopping 7-slide carousel ready to post, all built with Gamma's AI, so you can move fast without sacrificing quality. Start by opening Gamma in your browser. On the homepage, choose Generate with AI to begin a new project. This gets you into the flow where you can guide the tool with a simple prompt instead of starting from a blank page. In the prompt box, paste this. Create a 7-slide Instagram carousel about social media tips. Each slide should have a short headline and 1-2 supporting lines. You can change the topic to whatever you're covering, but keep the instruction about 7 slides in short copy so the output fits a carousel format. If you have a brand tone, feel free to add a note like, keep it friendly and direct. Gamma will generate a structured deck for you. You'll typically see slide 1 as a strong hook, slides 2 through 6 delivering the core value, and slide 7 wrapping up with a clear call to action. Read through everything and edit. Tighten any fluffy phrases, make sure each slide carries one idea, and confirm the call to action is unmistakable. For carousels, short text is critical. Aim for headlines of 5 to 10 words paired with 1 or 2 quick supporting lines. For example, stop posting random content with use a clear content strategy to grow faster. Keep language punchy and skimmable so it's legible on mobile in a split second. Now refine the design. Pick a clean theme that suits your brand. Increase headline font sizes so they're unmistakable. Choose high contrast colors for readability and give elements room to breathe so nothing feels crowded. Consistency across slides helps your audience flow smoothly from one panel to the next. Add visual elements that support the message. Simple icons, geometric shapes, or relevant images can guide the eye and make the content feel dynamic. Keep a consistent style and color palette. Avoid clutter and use contrast to create scroll-stopping first impressions. When you're happy, export your slides. Click Share or Export, then choose Images for direct PNG or JPG output, or pick PDF if that's your preferred workflow. If you export a PDF, convert each page into a separate PNG or JPG. Aim for a crisp, vertical-friendly size and name files in order so everything stays organized. Finally, upload your carousel to Instagram or Facebook. Add the images in sequence from 1 through 7, preview to ensure text and spacing look great on mobile, and publish with a clear caption that reinforces your call to action. That's it. Your AI-powered carousel is live.